Okay, I'm back with my scissors, and I just have to show you this beautiful box. LovelyThingsbox is an independent, and she sends out her boxes every 2 months. And this is her holiday box, and she does sell out pretty quick. I will leave her link and all her information below, so if you want to order her box, I think the next box now, this was her December, November, December, so she'll have her January, February box. So you have to order it quick, and I do have a discount code along with that. I think it's like $40 every 2 months, and then she has a discount code for your first time using it. And as I said, look at how nicely wrapped it is. And of course, I'm gonna break into it like a child. I'll try to save the paper. And she always puts some great items. She works with small independent companies, so like women-owned companies, so she gives back, and that's what's so nice. And then the inside of the box has her sticker, Lovely Things. And let's see if I could like not rip it open. I hope you guys are having a lovely, I'm filming this actually December 1st. I cannot believe it's December. So I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving, and I don't know if you're decorating yet for the holidays, because I guess everybody decorates the day after Thanksgiving, but I think we had a little bit more time this year. And the first thing, it's a Wonderland box, self-care, and it says everything that's in the box with the prices. And of course, I can't read it, and I have to show you this beautiful tissue paper. You just kind of don't want to open it. Oh my God, there are so many goodies, and of course my trail mix, so my man will know that I opened a box today. And of course I'm going for my favorite thing. It's the candy cane. That is awesome. And the first thing says it's by Vern Crafts. Don't know what it is. Oh my God, everything is just wrapped up. They obviously don't know me to know that I am box challenged. Oh, it looks like a sippy cup. A sippy cup for adults, and it's got snowflakes on it. Okay, this is totally cool. It must be like for, look at how beautiful that is. Okay, loving this. And it's got, here's the lid. Wow. I could put that out right now. But it had some items in it. Is it hot chocolate? Giraldi. Hot chocolate, so it must hold hot and cold. Okay, I'm just gonna end this video right now and make myself some hot chocolate. Anybody wants to come over, you have to bring your own cup and hot chocolate. It's only for one. Okay, loving the box. And that was by Vern Crafts. And it's got tumbler care and instructions, bummed, hand wash only. Not dishwasher safe, not microwave safe, do not drop. I think they put the do not drop for me on there. But still loving it, even though you can't put it in the dishwasher or microwave. The next thing is by Earth Harbor, Ahoy Love Nourishing Cream Cleanser. Seaweed, vitamins, hibiscus. So this is a cleanser. Wow. And look at that color. I'm gonna open it. I don't know if it's sealed. Wow. I don't want to drop it. I'm gonna sample a little bit. I can't describe the smell of it, but it does smell fresh. A little. It goes on very, very light, so it's not a heavy cleanser. So loving that. And the prices are on that little card, so I'll go over them at the end. And then we got, look at this cute little bag. Got the little snowflakes now. And I'm in Arizona, so we don't really get a lot of snow. Not mad about that. And we got a sharpener, so this must be for eye makeup. You open it to get the shavings out, but it's got a big pencil, little pencil. So that is great. I don't know. I do have a sharpener, but you know, who knows where I put that. And then we have, oh, a Galactic 3-in-1 Lip Sparkle Balm. And let's see what color. Oh. What's the color? Is this for, yeah, it is for lip. So since I do have lipstick on, I'm not going to try that, but you can probably sharpen it in that great sharpener. So this is such a great like lifestyle box because it has also, oh, there's something else in here. Oh, there's earrings. I did see this unboxing with reviews with Sue. She's a little more peppier than I am. I think she drinks Diet Coke or some diet drink, and I think she drinks it from the moment she wakes up until the moment she goes to bed, which is like 3 or 4 in the morning. Don't tell her that I mentioned that, but she's just like, and because I remember seeing these earrings, and these were really pretty earrings. They feel a little heavy for me, and there were stars on them, and her expression is superstars. All her subscribers are superstars, and that makes me a superstar. So these are really cute. So loving those. And there's a bunch more goodies in there. Oh. And there's this beautiful ornament. And that is really pretty. If you don't get this box, you need to put this at the top of your list. And I remember this. This is a lemon eucalyptus shower steamer. And I knew she wouldn't share this with me, so I love shower steamers. I have so much bath product, and I'm really not a bath taker, but yes, shower taker. So loving that. I don't remember what this is. Opulent Beauty. I don't remember what this was. Oh, it's brushes. Do I remember her getting brushes? Wow. So look at the handles. And these are soft. I don't know if it says what you use them for. It's got Opulent Beauty. Sorry, Like, I forgot you were there. This says Bullet. Opulent Beauty, are they all? I, believe it or not, tried washing my brushes. I wash them when I first get them. Then I never wash them again. Oh, and this is a flathead. I don't know what that means, how you're supposed to use them. And this is powder. So this one is self-explanatory. This one, not sure if it's for foundation and maybe highlighter. So I don't know if she got those in her boxes. I don't remember. Then, oh, a mask. I don't know about you guys, but I have to wash my masks all the time because, like, after this I have to go to the post office, so I always put lipstick on. And more goodies. And they're very well wrapped. Kudos, kudos, kudos. And then we have the Soon Strawberry Lip Mask. I love those. I've gotten them in other boxes. Luna Light Candle Company. Oh, it's a wax melt. Ooh. Oh, you're there. Look at those. And it's Love Spell. I have to burn these tonight. And there's all sorts of cards in here. Happy Holidays, lovely. Remember that it's always a little bit of everything beauty. I tell you, this is like the best box. I already put in, it says you have to order right away. I already put in for my February box. And I'll leave a link for my last box. I think it was a Halloween box. And that was awesome. Floral Bloom Highlighter and Contour. Oh, I can use my new brush. Wow. Look at those colors. Those are pretty colors. I don't wanna, actually, I'm gonna use these. Where's my new brush? I didn't wash it yet, but I wanna try this highlighter. I think this one is the highlighter. Can you see it? I think that's pretty, and this brush is so soft. Hope it doesn't have any crumbs on it, but I'm liking that. This is definitely a beautiful palette. So that was everything in my box, and I'm gonna read the little card. So we had the shower steamer. That was by Ella Velour. That was $6. The lip mask was $6. The facial cleanser by Earth Harbor was $19. In the beauty section, we had the face brush set by Opulent Beauty. It was $40. The Beauty Creations palette was $14.99. The 3-in-1 Sparkle Bomb was $17. The sharpener was $8. The Galactic was it was $25. The Love Scented Wax Melts by Luna Light was $3. The earrings were $10. The Handcrafted Tumbler by Veracrafts, love that, was $20. The Custom Made for LovelyThingsbox Snowflake Mask was $5. And the ornament was $3. All prices have been directly taken from the company's prices have been directly taken from the company's website. So thank you so much for watching. Check out their website at Lovely Things. If you haven't tried this box, I definitely recommend it. I don't know if there's any left, but give them a try. This would make an awesome gift for the holidays. And again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel.